Good afternoon. Do you hear me clearly?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, man. Good afternoon. Is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many cells are there in unicellular organisms?
One cell, sir.
Single cell.
Very good. In multicellular organisms?
Many cells.
Many cells.
Yes. many
Trillions
cells.
of cells.
Yes. Who concluded that cell wall is the outermost boundary in plant cells?
Schwann.
Schwann.
Schwann. Yes. Who concluded that the cell membrane is outermost layer in animal cells?
Schwann.
Schwann only.
Schwann.
Very good. The living cell was discovered by?
Anthony
And
von
from
Leeuwenhoek.
you, Leeuwenhoek.
Very good. The nucleus was discovered by?
Robert Brown.
Brown.
Right. Triple helical structure of collagen protein was discovered by?
G.N. Ramachandran.
G.N. Ramachandran. Very good. Yes. So how many types of the cells are there based on the presence or absence of well-defined nucleus?
Two types, sir. Prokaryote,
Two
eukaryote.
types.
Two types. Very good. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. Very good. Which is the main area for cellular activities?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. Very good. Cytoplasm. Right. In eukaryotic cells, the ribosomes, the 70S, how many types of the ribosomes are present in eukaryotic?
Two types, sir. 70S and 80S.
70S and 80S type of. In prokaryotic organisms,
70th type of
Only
ribosome is present.
yes, only 70S type of ribosomes are present. In chloroplast and mitochondria, organisms are happy.
70S, sir.
70th
70S.
type of
Ribosomes, very good. Some of the ribosomes are attached. The which type of ribosomes are attached on
rough
surface?
80S,
endoplasmic
sir.
reticulum.
Or IR.
Very good. The 80s type of ribosomes are attached on surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Right. The larger vacuole is present in
Plant cell.
Plant cells.
plant cells. Very good. Centrioles are present in
Animal cells.
Animal cell.
very good. What is the function of centriole?
Cell division.
Cell
Helps in
division.
cell division.
Very good. Helps in cell division. Centrioles are involved in cell division process. Right. Okay. And the cells are eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Chloroplast present in
Plant cell.
plant cell. Very good. Option 1 is chloroplast cell organelle. Chloroplast cell organelle is found in option 1 is bacterium. Option 2 is animal cell. Option 2 is the fungi. Option 4 is the plant cell.
Option 4, plant cell.
Very good. Option 4 is the plant cell. The next question. Centriole cell organelle.
Option for animal cell.
Option 4, animal cell.
Centriole cell organelle.
Option for animal cell, sir.
Very good. Option 4 is animal cell. '70s type of ribosomes present in option 1 is bacterium. Option 2 is chloroplast. Option 3 is mitochondria.
Option for all of the above, sir.
Option 4, 2 and 3, sir.
Option 4, all of them.
All of the above, sir.
Very good. All of the above. Yes, bacterium, chloroplast, mitochondria. In prokaryotic cells, the bacteria is one of the examples for prokaryote. The 70s type of ribosomes are present. Whereas in eukaryotic cells, the cell organelles, chloroplast, and mitochondria are also having the 70s type of ribosomes. So all of the fourth option is the correct answer. Bacterium, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Bacterium organism, chloroplast organelle, cell organelle. Mitochondria is another cell organelle. So chloroplast, mitochondria, organelles, bacterium organisms. So all these are having the 70s type of ribosomes. So now today we will discuss about the organisms, the size of the organisms or values. Already highlighted about the characteristics of the acellular organisms. Acellular organisms. What are the acellular organisms in the living world?
Mycoplasma.
Which are
Mycoplasma.
Bacteria, archaebacteria, cyanobacteria.
Viruses, viroid, prions.
Sir, mycoplasma, sir.
Mycoplasma is suspect is there, no? Mycoplasma.
Sir, viruses, viroids.
Virus,
Very good.
viroids, lichens.
Suspect is there in bacteria. Prokaryotic organisms, suspect is there. Right? Cell wall, cell membrane, naked genetic material in bacteria. Cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. Right? Viruses, viroids. Prions are the acellular organisms in the living world. Already highlighted about acellular organisms in the living world. In biological classification chapter, we have discussed about that acellular organisms. Cellular organisms, Monira, that's
Protista fungi.
Monira, Protista, as per Vitakas classification, all the 5 kingdoms are having the cellular organization, cell structure. The Monira, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, all the 5 kingdoms organisms are having the cell structure. Right. The viruses are the smallest organisms. Write it down, important for objective point of view. The smallest organism is a virus. The viruses are having 0.02 micrometer to 0.2 micrometer in size. Whereas the mycoplasma, which is the smallest cellular organism, a cellular organism is the virus. Mycoplasma is it a cellular or a cellular organism?
Cellular.
Cellular, very good. Mycoplasma. The mycoplasma length is mycoplasma is the smallest cellular organism in the living world. So it's having the 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer in length. Please write it down and highlight. Important for objective point of view. 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer in length. Whereas bacteria, three to 5 micrometer. 3 to 5 micrometer. Okay. So arrange the following organisms in ascending order. With ascending order based on the sizes. Option. Have you written? Have you highlighted?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Arrange the following organisms in ascending order based on their sizes. 1 is virus, 2 is mycoplasma, 3 is bacteria. Option 1 is 3, 2, 1. Option 2 is that mycoplasma, bacteria, virus. Option 3 is virus, mycoplasma, bacteria. Option 4 is
Sir, option 3, sir.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
following organisms in ascending order, arrange the following organisms in ascending order based on their sizes.
Sir, option 3, virus, mycoplasma, bacteria.
Very good. Option 3.
Three.
Virus, the smallest to the largest. Virus is very small.
Sir, viroids and prions also have similar size only, na, sir, like virus.
Virus is
Smaller.
less than viroids or less than the size is less than virus. Viroids are having only nucleic acid. No? So as per exactly here in the objective point of view, the some of sizes mentioned, the organism, virus, mycoplasma, bacteria, okay, and some of the cells, isolated cells. Here the virus is having 0.02 micrometer to 0.2 micrometer.
Micrometer.
Right. Mycoplasma 0.3 micrometer. Bacteria is having
3 to 5 micrometer.
Five.
5 micrometer. So arrange the following organisms in ascending order based on their sizes. Based on their sizes. So here what is the answer? The option is the correct answer. The next question, arrange the following organisms in descending order based on their sizes.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1.
Very good. Option bacteria. Mycoplasma. Virus. Option 1 is the correct answer. Have you highlighted that? The size of the yes. Which of the following is the smallest?
Sir, which is the smallest cell in the world, sir?
Smallest acellular organ version. Which of the following is smallest acellular organism?
So smallest acellular organism must be viroid, no sir, because viroid is smaller than the virus, no sir.
Yes, viroids, but we are not given. I have not given the options.
Option 1, virus, sir.
Option 1 virus, option 2 mycoplasma, option 3 bacteria. Okay. Option 4 is none of
Option 1, virus.
the
Option 1, virus.
viroids are small, but here I am not given. Viroids are smaller than the viruses. Okay, here what is the question? Which of the following acellular organism is the smallest? Which of these correct answer?
Option 1, virus.
Option 1, sir.
Which of the following is the smallest cellular organism?
Option.
Option 2.
Option 2, mycoplasma.
Option 2, mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma is the smallest cellular organism. Virus is the smallest acellular organism. Okay. So the largest isolated cell is an egg of ostrich. So which is the largest isolated single cell? Option 1 is virus.
Sir, largest?
Largest cell, isolated. Yes. Is it largest? Yes. Single cell. Egg of Anastis is the largest cell. That's isolated cell, separated from the parental organism.
Yes.
Yes. So which is the largest cell? Isolated cell. Option 1 is the virus. Option 2 is mycoplasma. Option 3 is bacteria. Bacteria measure generally bacteria are the unicellular or multicellular?
Unicellular, sir.
Unicellular. Okay. Option 4 is egg of an ostrich.
Option 4, sir. Egg of ostrich.
Yes, egg of ostrich. Option 4 is
Sir, non-isolated biggest cell is human ova, no, sir?
human ovum.
Yes, sir.
Human ovum or egg is the smaller than egg of an ostrich.
Largest cell of human is that one only, no, sir?
Longest cell, nerve cell.
No, sir. Largest by size, not length. Sir, because it was given in 10th, we had read, sir. It is the largest cell. Human ova or egg.
Human ova or egg. Regarding that, I don't know whether that's related to the Zuvalpa,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? Here, the egg of an ostrich is the largest isolated cell, and the longest cell is nerves. Which is the longest cell? Option 1 is virus. Option 2 is nerve cell. Option 3 is bacterium. Option 4 is egg of an ostrich. Longest cell. Which of the following?
Option 2, nerve cell.
Very good. Option 2 is nerve cell.
So which animal's nerve cell is the longest, sir?
Nerve cell?
So which animal's nerve cell is longest?
Yes. Nerve cell is the longest cell.
So which animal has longest nerve cells?
For which species?
Species, I don't know. Later, I will give you information.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So regarding this, in objective point of view, they may ask which is the smallest cellular organism, smallest cellular organ, which is the largest cell, the largest isolated cell is an egg of ostrich, the longest cell is nerve cell. Okay, the smallest cellular organism in the living world is what is the answer? Smallest
Sir, which is the smallest cell in the world, sir?
Smallest cellular organism in the living world. What is the answer? Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma.
Largest means egg of ostrich, no, sir?
Yes, largest egg of an ostrich. Longest nerve cell. Clear now? Is it clear?
Sir, clear, sir.
Sir, what is
Yes, sir,
difference
clear,
between
sir.
isolated and unisolated, sir?
Question.
Sir, what is difference between isolated and unisolated?
Is without isolation. After or otherwise isolation. In dead animals, that the nerve cells are separated. Okay, here you must be remembered regarding the objective point of view. The largest cell is isolated, largest cell is, longest cell is, smallest cellular organ, smallest acellular organ. Okay, now smallest acellular organ.
Sir, what is isolated, sir?
Yes, after isolation, we can see clearly. After the
Sir, outside the organism's body, what cell is found? That is isolated cell, no, sir.
yes. After separation from the living organs, that's
What's the meaning of isolation, sir?
isolated. Yes,
What's the meaning of isolation, sir? So what does isolation mean?
isolation, separation from organs.
Sir, how the ostrich lays eggs? That is separation, no, sir.
Yes, the egg is separated now.
Yes, sir.
First of all, produced in organ inside organ. Later, that is released.
Separate.
Surrounding environment. That isolated. Is it
So
clear?
even humans, right, sir? Even humans.
Human also egg hormones, sperms are released. That isolated egg hormone, isolated sperms. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Oh, okay. Have you done this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So arrange the following cells or organisms. Arrange the following cells or organisms in ascending order based on the sizes. Head of ostrich, virus, bacteria, mycoplasma,
Sir, what is the question?
arrange the following organisms in following cells or organisms in ascending order. Ascending order. Option 1 is ABCD. Option 2 is DCBA. Option 3 is BDCA. Option 4 is
Option 3, BDCA, sir.
AC and ACD and B. What is the answer?
Sir, option 3, sir.
Option
BDCA.
3,
Option
BDCA.
3.
Very good. BDCA. Ascending order. In descending order,
ACDB.
Option 4, sir.
option 4. Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer.
The ostrich egg does not contain every cell organelle, no, sir. So then how is it considered as a cell?
Egg cell? Egg.
So ostrich egg has only nucleus, no sir. How it is considered as cell?
That cell is outermost layer is made of calcium carbonate. Cell that is isolated. What is the chemical? That's composition. The largest isolated cell is a net of plasma. The outermost layer of the cell is consists of calcium carbonate. The nucleus and the protoplasm substances could be different. Large is isolated cell, the single cell. The largest isolated cell is an element of mass. Nucleus is there. The outermost layer is made of the calcium carbonate substances. Is it clear now? Right. So the diameter of the red blood cells, the diameter of the red blood cells, 7 micrometer. Write it down and highlight. The diameter of the red blood cell, 7 micrometer. Okay, have you written this one? Have you written this? Please listen
Sir,
me.
this egg, ostrich egg cell is 7 micron, sir. Micron meter.
No. Here, the 7 micrometer is the diameter of red blood cells. Red blood cells. Is it clear? Is it clear now? The diameter of the red blood cell is 7 micrometer.
Okay, sir.
Right. Is which of the following is the length of bacteria? What is the answer?
First option.
First option, sir.
Very good. Yes, which of the following is the length of the mycoplasma?
Option 2.
Which of the following is size of the virus?
Option 4.
4.
Option 4.
Very. Next, the diameter of red blood cell is
Option 3.
Option 3. Third option.
so the cells are appeared in different shapes, sizes, and different shapes. And prokaryotic cells. What are the examples of prokaryotic cells?
Entamoeba.
Prokaryotic cell. Examples already highlighted about the kingdom of the
Nasta. Anabina.
The types of the organisms in kingdom of the Archaebacteria, Eubacteria is Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is belongs to which kingdom?
Monera.
Monera. Right. Is it prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell? Kingdom Monera is
Prokaryotic.
Prokaryotic. Right. Prokaryotic cells. Bacteria. Mycoplasma. differentiated into Archaebacteria and Eubacteria.
Eubacteria.
Yes. How many types of Archaebacteria are there?
3 types.
3 types. What are they?
Halophiles, thermophils, and
Thermosidophils.
methanogens.
Methanogens. The mycoplasmas are known as PPLO. Pleuropneumonia like organism. PPLO. What is the full form of PPLO? The mycoplasmas are commonly called as
Pleuronomic like organisms.
Pleuropneumonia like organisms. The common name of mycoplasma is, what is the answer? Please message me answer. The mycoplasmas are commonly called as
Pleuropneumonia like organisms.
Pleuropneumonia like organisms. Which of the following organisms are called as PPLO? Option 1 is viruses. Option 2 is bacteria. Option 3 is mycoplasma. Option 4 is fungi. What is the answer?
Option 3, mycoplasma.
Option 3, mycoplasma. Mycoplasmas are commonly known as pleuropneumonia like organisms. Bacteria are differentiated into how many types? Already learned about the characteristics of bacteria in biological classification chapter. The bacteria are differentiated into how many types based on their shapes? Do you remember the shape of bacteria?
Bacillus, spirella, rod shape, comma shape.
Cockle.
Very good, very good. How many types of bacteria are there? How many shapes?
4 bacteria.
4 types. What are they?
Bacillus,
Vibrio, and then spiral.
Spira.
comma shape.
Spirilla.
How many types of bacteria? 4 types of them. What
4
are they?
types.
Yes, what are they?
That's dot
Okay.
Bacillus. Another shape.
Coccus.
Vibrio, coccus,
Focus.
spirillum. Spirillum.
Focus. Bacillus.
Spira.
Spirillum. Vibrio. What is the shape of focus? Do you remember the
Spherical
shape of focus bacteria? Right. The
Spherical
spherical
shape.
bacteria. The spherical shaped bacteria are known as focus. Focus bacteria. Cocci, plural, focus, singular. The spherical shaped bacterium is known as focus bacteria. Cocci means several. The spherical shaped bacteria are called as cocci. Focus singular, cocci plural. Already know we have learned about the types of bacteria based on their shapes. So 4 types of bacteria are there based on their shapes. One is focus, second one is bacillus, third one is spirillum, fourth one is the vibrio. Focus bacteria are appears like the spherical in shape. Bacillus bacterium means what is the shape of the bacillus? The bacillus appears like what is the shape?
rod shape.
Rod shaped bacteria, bacilli, right? Spiral shaped, some of the bacteria are appears like a spiral in shape. The spiral shaped bacteria are called spirillum. Some of the bacteria are appears like the comma shape. The comma shaped bacteria are called as what is the comma shaped bacteria? Comma shaped bacteria are called as vibrio. Right. Based on this, in subjective point of view, mention the types of bacteria based on the shapes. What is the answer? The bacteria are differentiated into 4 types based on the shapes. The Coccus, one is Coccus, second Bacillus, and third is Spirillum. Fourth one is the Vibrio. Whereas in objective point of view, in cognitive point of view, based on this concept, the spherical shaped bacterium is known as option 1 is Coccus, option 2 Bacillus, option 3 is Spirillum, option 4 is Vibrio. What is the answer? Which option is correct?
Option 1.
Focus.
Repeat the question. Which of the spherical shaped bacterium is known as? Option 1. The spiral shaped bacterium is known as. What is the answer? The spiral shaped.
Spiral.
Spiral. Gamma shaped bacterium is known as. Then what is the answer? Same options.
Vibrio.
Vibrio. Rod shaped bacterium is known as. What is the answer?
That's
Bacillus.
Right? And based on this concept, the match the following questions. Match the following. Column 1. Column 2. Column 1. Bacillus. Vibrio. Coccus. Spirillum. Right, whereas in column 2, what is the answer for the A? It's matched to the
A2, A2, B3, C1, C4.
A to B. Very good.
B3, sir.
B3, sir.
C1. C1, D,
C1, sir. C1, D4.
B.
D4.
D4.
D. Spirillum. Spirillum. The bacterium, the prokaryotic cells, the bacterial cell structure. Now we want to know about the in detail structure of a prokaryotic cell. In kingdom Manila, majority of the organisms are having cell wall. Whereas mycoplasma, is it a cell wall containing or cell
No,
wall?
sir.
Or
Cell wall lacking, sir.
cell mycoplasma is cell wall lacking. So in bacteria, prokaryotic cell, outermost layer, it's cell wall. Next layer is the cell membrane. The genetic material, is it naked or surrounded with the nuclear membrane?
Naked.
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 Yes, yes. It's not surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is absent. Nuclear membrane is absent. The genetic material is not surrounded by nuclear membrane. So genetic material is represent the single chromosome, the circular DNA. Right. Is it circular or linear DNA?
Circular DNA, sir.
Yes, circular. Very good. The genetic material is naked. The single chromosome is represent the single chromosome.
Sir, it contains only DNA, sir, no RNA.
Yes, sir.
Only DNA is present, sir, in bacterium genetic material. RNA is not there.
DNA is the genetic material. DNA is act as a genetic material. Right? In human beings, which is act as a genetic material? DNA or RNA?
DNA, sir.
DNA. Right? In majority of the organisms, which nucleic acid? How many types of nucleic acids are present in living organisms?
2 types, sir.
2 types. What are they?
DNA and RNA.
DNA and RNA.
DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. What is the full form of RNA?
Ribonucleic acid.
Ribonucleic acid.
Ribose nucleic acid. So in majority of the organisms, the DNA is act as a genetic material. Whereas in some of the viruses, some of the organisms, the RNA is act as a genetic material. So here the DNA is act as a genetic material in bacteria. The genetic material is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope. Is it clear?
Clear.
So DNA. So this main genetic material in bacteria is known as nucleoid. Nucleoid. It's the single chromosome, one chromosome that consists of the circular DNA. Circular DNA, not linear. Right. In addition to the main genetic material, so this is the main genetic material. In addition to main genetic material, some of the bacteria are having the extra genetic material, the additional genetic material. Additional genetic material. So the additional genetic material in bacteria is known as the plasmid. What is the additional genetic material in bacteria? In some of the bacteria, in addition to the main genetic material, the extra genetic material is present. The extra genetic material in prokaryotic organism is called as the plasmid. The plasmid is consist of how many strands? 1 strand or 2 strands?
2 strands.
2 strands.
Two strands are there. Right. Are they linear or circular?
Circular.
Here I draw
Circular.
Here I draw 2 strands. These 2 strands are circular. So DNA, the plasmid is the circular DNA. 2 strands are there. The plasmid is involved in self-replication process. The one plasmid is divided to give rise to 2 plasmids. The one plasmid is divided to give rise to 2 plasmids. What is plasmid?
Extracircular DNA.
Additional
Additional.
in prokaryotic organisms known as a plasmid, or the double-stranded, circular, naked, self-replicating DNA molecule is known as a plasmid. In subjective point of view, the 1 mark question. What is a plasmid? In theory, what is plasmid? The additional genetic material in bacterial cells known as the plasmid. Additional genetic material. So this is the main genetic material in bacteria. This one is extra genetic material. Additional genetic material in bacteria is known as plasmid. And plasmid, another we can also define like extra chromosome, double-stranded, circular, and naked. They are self-replicating. Self-replicating DNA molecule. Extra chromosome. Already the main genetic material is there, main chromosome. In addition to the additional genetic material. Double-stranded. How many strands are there in the plasmid? How many strands are there? Two strands. Circular. Not linear. Circular. Naked. It is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is not there. Naked. And self-replicating. So the plasmid is divided gives rise to 2 plasmids. So that is self-replication. The plasmid is the double-stranded, circular, naked, self-replicating, additional genetic. Is it clear?
What is the significance of presence of plastic cell?
Plasmid. So due to presence of plasmid, the bacteria cells exhibit certain phenotypic characters. Due to presence of the plasmid, the bacteria are resistant to some antibiotics. Is it clear? Significant. One of the significance of
Yes,
the is due to presence of a plasmid in cytoplasm of the bacteria. Right. Do you have any doubts in today's session? So tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining concept. Do you have any doubts regarding this today's session?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining concept of the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Thank you, my students. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.